Okay, now we're going to make Prig Bon. In English we call chili powder. Okay, we use 100 gram of dried small red chili or bird eyes. Okay, the dry chili come in the packet like this. You don't need to use them all. If not, can last forever. You can get the small packet, but only just want to show how the dry chili look like. Okay. This is after you soak for 15 minutes and drain it. This is what you got. Okay, and then now we start to roast it.
This one is doing the wok.
Yeah, we use in the wok. Yeah, with the heat.
And so you soak it for the smell to
Yeah.
make it the cooking process a bit easier.
Yeah, they're easy for you when you roast it. And we put a little bit of salt. Okay. Yeah, we roast it until the color change to a little bit darker. About 10-15 minutes maximum. If you don't soak, you cannot stand that smell. Right, enough. Okay, a little bit burn. Very good. Okay, we grind it with the pestle and mortar.
Nó mô cái hình mô đất na nó mô mấy ôi kìa ở đây
Okay, after a few minutes, you get something like this. Okay. I think should be enough, some pieces. If you don't have pestle and mortar, you can use blender instead, and easy and quick. If you use pestle and mortar, you can control it, make it fine.
Two.
But to me, I like this one.
Oh, why?
Why? Because can see the chili. You can see the chili. This one like a powder. Yeah, when we make, use this one, mix a bit, yeah. Okay. Now we use the chili powder with with the noodle. Yeah, you can use this one when you have noodle. If you want hotter, tasty, you can use with the noodle, dry noodle or noodle soup. Okay, and also can keep in the fridge or normal temperature for a few months. Yeah, that's it.